What up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here. Welcome to another Big A's unboxing video. So I'm gonna get started with this box right here. This is a single item. The box had some tape on the sides here, so if I flipped it over, the seller's identity was going to be exposed. So here it is. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Got some bubble wrap here. Boom. Here it is, guys. The Dodge Challenger drift car. I bought this from this particular seller, and he sent me the wrong car. For some reason, the seller got this car mixed up with a Camaro. But anyways, guys, take a look at this, man. I'm telling you guys, Mattel does not make cars like this anymore. So here is a variation of the red one I showed you last time, a few videos ago. So this one is in blue. It's got the Dodge livery. It's got the dark gray interior, clear glass, and look at the decals on top, guys. Very cool. It also has the Mopar decal right below the high wing here. No details on the back or front. It comes with these cool 5-spoke wheels with the chrome lip and black base, and of course the chrome mold wheels. So here is item number one. Now let's move on to Big Papa right here. Like it when you call me Big Papa. And again, guys, I'm trying to grow my Mopar collection. I'm going for all the Dodge Challenger and Charger variations. Kind of following Mustang Hunter's lead, but instead of Mustangs, I'm doing Chargers and Challengers. Challengers for the most part, being a Challenger guy, but alright. Sorry guys, it's a pretty big box. Get rid of all this stuff here. As you can see, it comes in two parts. So let's start with this one here. Alright. Alright. So here's this cool Dodge Challenger concept. This one comes in a very nice orange color with the number 68, and it's got the black and light orange stripes running across the side of the car there. It's got the 5-spoke H5s with the orange plated trim, orange base, black interior. No details on the front. It's got the matching decals on the front. It's got medium tinted glass on the windshield, no glass on the sides, and medium tint glass on the back. There are no details on the back either. It does have the black stripes, and in between that, towards the back of the trunk, it's got the Dodge decal. Very, very cool. So there's that one. Alright guys, so here we have this cool Dodge Challenger concept from 2007. This one comes in a very nice orange color, black interior, no side windows. I like this black accent on top of the hood there. It's got some detail on the front. Unfortunately, no headlight detail. And it's got a decal right here. Can't make up what it says. I think it says, I'm not sure if it says Dodge or Mopar. It's very small, guys, so I do apologize about that. It's hard to read. The taillights are done. It's kind of hard to tell because the orange and the red are close in color. And then, of course, the light shining on it does not help very much. It also has the Dodge decal right between the taillights. Next one up is this cool Dodge Challenger concept from the Faster Than Air series. This is from 2009. And check this out, guys. Love the color. It's like a light bluish gray. It's got the gold-plated H5 wheels. It's got a very light gray interior, no side windows, clear glass on the front and the back. And it's got the cool orange stripe. Very nice. And then down here, it's got the Dodge decal. Let's take a look at the front here. It's got some detail. Up here, it's got the double orange stripes with a darker shade of gray. Very, very nice piece. No details on the back, unfortunately. Black base and chrome mold wheels. So very nice. Next one up, another Dodge Challenger concept from 2007. This one comes in a darker gray, black interior, no side windows. It's got the cool chrome H5s. It's got the turn indicators here and back there. Let's take a look at the front. It's got some detail, and it also has the cool black accent on the hood. Medium tint glass on the windshield and on the back. And this one does have detailed taillights. It also has the Dodge decal right between the taillights. So let's do a quick comparison. So as you can see, they were both released on the same year. I don't know if either one of these is exclusive to a particular store. And I just noticed that this one also has the turn indicator here and back here. But yeah, very, very cool, man. One more to go. Let's crack this thing open, man. All right. Okay. Boom. Here's the 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. This is from the Muscle Mania series from 2009. Check this out, man. Woo. This one comes in a metallic gray. I love the light blue stripe. This one has a blue interior, black H5s with a blue trim. Let's take a look at the front here. It's got some detail. Very nice. So let's take a look at the hood here. Very cool. It's got the hockey stripes on the sides, and it's got the blue accents on the center. And this one has a moonroof or sunroof. No details on the back, unfortunately. Gray base and, of course, chrome mold wheels. So very cool. All right, guys, let's move on to the next one. Dodge Challenger concept from 2007. This one comes in a very nice lime green, black interior, no side windows. It's got the chrome 5-spoke wheels. Got the turn indicator here and there. It's got some detail on the front, black accents on top of the hood. This one has detailed taillights, and it's got the Dodge decal right between the taillights. Very cool. Black base and, of course, the chrome mold wheels. So there is that one. All right, guys, next one up, we have another Dodge Challenger concept. This is from the 2012 Heat Fleet series. This one comes in a very nice gray color. It's got the blue interior, no side windows, clear glass on the front and the back. It's got the H5s in chrome. Got a cool blue pencil stripe up here, and it's got some very nice flames in gray. And down here, it's got the Dodge decal. Let's take a look at the front here. It has some detail there. Very nice. No details on the back. Black base, and of course, the chrome mold wheels. Very nice, man. All right, guys, last but not least, we have this cool Dodge Challenger concept. This is also from the 2012 Heat Fleet series. This one comes in a beautiful lime green, gray interior. This one has a black background, and it's got the flames on top of that. It's got the chrome wheels with the red line trim. It's got black base. Let's take a look at the front here. It's got some detail. Very cool. Let's take a look at the back here. Unfortunately, no taillight details either. Black base and chrome mold wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed what I picked up. Please let me know in the comments which of the cars I showed you is your favorite. In the meantime, guys, you guys take care. Happy hunting and God bless. Deuces.